This faceless YouTube channel is only a year old, amassing close to 1 million subscribers, and gaining a jaw-dropping 500 million total views. And the secret to their success? Nothing more than a collection of stock footage and AI voiceovers. What if I tell you there is now a free AI tool that allows you to automatically make these viral shorts that are in fact monetizable? You might be thinking, is this guy for real? Well, wait till you see it in action. In this video, I am going to reveal how you can effortlessly create viral YouTube shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels in a matter of minutes. The tool we will be using is called Fleeky. We will be using the idea to video feature. With idea to video, all you have to do is describe your vision in words, and it will create the video for you. It will craft the script, select the dynamic video clips, or generate AI images and add the subtitles, all in less than a minute. So, what kind of content can you create with this tool? The ideas are unlimited, but for today's video, let's draw inspiration from Nature Lens. They specialize in creating shorts about animals. And their 5 most popular videos have racked up over 10 million views each. Here's the amazing part. This channel is just over a year old, yet they have grown incredibly fast, already gaining over 800,000 subscribers and averaging a jaw-dropping 25 million monthly views. So, it's safe to say this channel is making thousands of dollars. However, this is not the only channel having success with this type of content. Here is another channel called Kinsify, creating similar types of viral animal shorts with over 125,000 subscribers and over 30 million total views. Alright, let's not waste any time and head straight to Fleeky.com. The link is in the description. Go ahead and sign up for the free account. Once you're in, select New File and give it a name. For the aspect ratio, make sure to select Portrait for YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or Instagram Reels. You can do landscape if you want to create standard long-form videos, but the free plan probably won't be enough for that. Under Start With, select Idea and click Submit. This is where you will enter the idea prompt, which is a brief description of your video. I have prepared a prompt for you. All you need to do is fill in the areas for your video. Let's say we wanted to create a video on lions versus tigers and who is the true king of the jungle. We would write the prompt like this. Next, paste this into the idea prompt. Select the length of the video. Since this one is for a YouTube short, I am going to keep it at 1 minute. Now, you can choose what your video should consist of. Stock media or AI-generated videos or images. I want real footage for this video, so I will select stock media. This tool can also add AI avatars and add trendy sound effects, but that is only with the paid plan, so we aren't going to bother with that. Same with headlines and stickers. Now, hit Submit. After it's done generating, you may notice that some of the images are not relevant. This is because we are using the free version and have limited access to the stock videos. Don't worry, we are going to fix that. Simply click into the scene, select the picture under Layout and search for a relevant video. Now, let's say you wanted to add another scene to split the text and incorporate a tiger. You can click this duplicate button, delete the first part of the sentence from the new scene, and delete the second part of the sentence from the first scene. Then, select a relevant image in the new scene. This is how it looks so far.
Lion versus tiger. Clash of the Jungle Kings. In the heart of the wilderness.
Wait! That's not the deep male voice that we asked for. And why is there a video of the ocean? Again, this is likely because we are using the free version. Not to worry, let's fix this. First, to change the voice, click on the name under voiceover and select the voice you want. Make sure to check off the box that says apply this voice to all voiceovers. Now, let's fix the video in the second scene to make it look more like a jungle. I am also going to split this into 2 scenes by using the duplicate option. You will notice in the free version, you can only have up to 10 scenes. Not to worry, we can still make an exciting and engaging video. To make more room for another scene, I will first merge the first 2 scenes back into one scene and create a split image showing both a lion and a tiger. To create a split image, select the layout, then on the right-hand side, select the split type you want and the direction of the split. For this one, we want the split to be horizontal. Then select the second image. Let's do this for scene 3 as well, since we are talking about both lions and tigers in this part of the script. In number 5, we can see 2 problems. 1. The picture is too zoomed in. To fix this, in the right-hand side under Fit, select Contains. The second problem is this animal looks more like a cheetah or leopard. Let's change it to a tiger. To increase the engagement, you can add GIFs to make it more captivating. To add a GIF, hover over the scene and select Add Layer, then choose Picture in Picture. You will see a new section under Layout. Click on the image box, select GIF, and search for the kind you want, and click to add it. From the right-hand pane, you can change the position and the size. Now, let's work on the subtitles. To edit them, click on the script part of the scene. On the right, you will find options to move subtitles anywhere on the screen. The nudge option adds some space around the subtitles to avoid them sticking to the edge. Since ours is in the middle, I will turn it off. Tilt gives it a dynamic angled look, which I also do not want, so I will turn it off. You can choose your preferred font and size. You can also adjust the display style, like having them appear word by word or the entire phrase at once. I find the highlight style most effective. There is also a choice to change colors here as well. The animations can be cool, as you can select how the subtitles show up and disappear. Also, you can add an audio visualization, which can give your video a little extra flair by incorporating sound waves, with options to customize their color and placement. If you want these settings to apply to all scenes, click on Apply to Similar Layers. Now, you may want to customize some scenes, like this one. I want to move the subtitles to the bottom. Similar to the problem earlier in the video, there are some scenes at the bottom which are not relevant to our script. We can quickly fix that. Once you are satisfied, you can download your video here and click Start Export. Here are the final results.
Lion versus Tiger, Clash of the Jungle Kings. In the heart of the wilderness, 2 titans command respect. The lion and the tiger. But who reigns supreme? The lion, known as the king of the beasts, leads with undeniable social prowess, commanding a pride with strength and strategy. Meanwhile, the tiger, a solitary hunter, boasts unmatched stealth and power, thriving in diverse habitats from snowy forests to tropical jungles. When it comes to raw strength, tigers have an edge, their muscular bodies enabling them to take down larger prey alone. However, lions have the advantage of teamwork, coordinating with their pride to outmaneuver and overpower their quarry. In a mythical showdown, determining the true king is complex. Both possess unique strengths that make them unparalleled rulers of their domains. Who do you think is the true king of the jungle? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the debate.
The next step is to upload the videos to your platforms. Remember to create engaging titles and stay consistent. Consistency is the key to success. If you're ready to start generating AI content, then hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.